In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the YouTube app on your PC. First, open your preferred web browser. In this example, I'm using Google Chrome. Next, go to the YouTube website by typing youtube.com in the address bar and pressing Enter. Once YouTube has loaded, click the three dots in the top right corner of the Chrome browser. From the menu, look for the Install YouTube option. Click on Install YouTube. A confirmation window will appear on your screen. Click Install to continue. Wait a few moments while Chrome installs the YouTube app on your PC. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the YouTube app. You can now use YouTube directly from your desktop, just like a regular application. That's it. This is how you can download and install the YouTube app on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.